Did you know that Nietzsche took Marcus Aurelius' wisdom and made it dangerous? The Stoics taught us to accept our fate, but Nietzsche said that's not enough. Don't just accept your worst moments, love them completely. He called this amor fati, love of fate, not just loving the good times, loving every heartbreak, every failure, every moment you wanted to give up. This isn't toxic positivity. This is something deeper. Your biggest struggles create your greatest strengths. Think about it. The rejection that led you to your dream job, the breakup that taught you self-worth, the failure that forced you to innovate. Most people resist their pain. They fight it. They wish it never happened. But what if you said, I love that this happened to your worst day? What if you saw every obstacle as exactly what you needed? This transforms victims into victors. It turns suffering into strength. When you love your fate completely, you unlock a level of resilience most people never access. Your struggles aren't punishments. They're preparations. The question is, will you fight your fate or fall in love with it?